Alright guys, welcome back to my channel, and there she is. She is completely, I would say 98% done. What's left on this Eclipse, this is just a quick update for the channel, what's going on and what's gonna happen in coming days and coming videos. What's left on this one is I still have to install this door piece that goes over here. I have it in garage. Fuel cap right here, fuel cover in the back. It's missing the wing, that's coming pretty soon. Suspension is dialed up, it's all good. I got the stickers, just that for now. And the other side, everything else looks pretty good. Finally the hood latches arrived and I installed those. That's all done. The front is done. The lines are lining really good. I finally managed to dial everything up and get it all going. I am still missing a fog lights. I still have them, but I gotta install them. Then I have to close it with something. I know a lot of people suggested the intercooler to make it look good. This is not a turbocharged car, so I'm not gonna bother with that. So like I said, she is 98% done. Interior is probably just a few things, touch-ups. But now what's important is an update. So we know this one is running and everything is all right. What is going on with this one? Well, let's check it out. This one, as you can see, it's missing an engine and transmission. So that means the engine and transmission is being worked on. So yes guys, this is official start on the rebuild of that GSX. So this is a 4G63 out of that Eclipse. This is a 7-bolt. I know a lot of you would probably say, hey, get a 6-bolt since I already got it out. I am in no position to choose that because my budget is not that great. So this is just going to be a rebuild of the 7-bolt. I will do the teardown on this one. What happened to it? I already know what happened, but I want you guys to check it out and see what kind of damage happened and why this engine failed in the first place. Transmission is right here. This is a Mitsubishi's transmission, so it's not as same as the Chrysler's one. It does have some things same here and there, but it's different. So I will go through the rebuild of this one as well. So I will actually show you as well what's going on and how to do it as well. I do have a couple other things happening on the channel. A lot of carbon fiber parts are being made and all that crap. But anyway, in next video, it will be a rebuild of this one. I will start actually tearing everything apart, and I will actually paint it and all that crap. And just like I did with the 420A, hopefully everything goes smooth. And she is afterwards, after this engine is done, she's going in here and she's going to be painted. The color, I still haven't decided, but it's going to be a surprise for you guys. Anyway, I forgot to mention that this engine actually came, to my surprise, with ARP studs. And yeah, I don't know if I'm going to be reusing those, but yes, it came with it. Pistons, from what I've seen, they are original ones, so nothing fancy there. So yeah, everything is going to be going back to this engine. All the power steering and all that is going to be going back when I rebuild it. Regarding the rebuild, I'm not going with the power. It's just a regular rebuild, guys, and the regular standard springs, standard everything, standard valves, standard pretty much everything. Head is already rebuilt. I already did the video on this head. It's right there. It's waiting. It's been ported, just ported, and then that's all that's been done to it. Polished valves and all that. It's already on my channel, so you can go check that out. I do have a spare 4G63 right there. It's 7 volt as well, and that's gonna be my parts engine. There is a 420A that I got from the junkyard. It's I'll leave that for you guys to check it out, because I already made videos about that one. There is another A604 41T transmission that I will be rebuilding as well, just as a spare for my other Eclipse. And yeah, that's pretty much what I wanted to tell you guys. A quick update on this orange Eclipse. As you can see, she has a Talon side skirts, and she will take actually the doors from that one, and it will go on this one. So because these doors are all damaged and the latches are broken, everything inside, and yeah, so I will be switching some parts on this one. I already started, so suspension is gonna be changed. Everything is gonna be going to stock except the coilovers. I will be buying coilovers for it. Anyway, really appreciate you guys staying and checking this video. Of course, thank you all for subscribing. Not much has been happening lately on my channel, but like I said, appreciate all of you coming and checking it out. Of course, if you're new to this channel, make sure you like it, share, subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Later.